Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the SSO on Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, this is the trailhead guide for setting up the SSO or single sign-on. First, you will be needing to have a SSO with a third party identity provider, and it can be any identity provider. And in this guide, we have the Axiom Heroku app. And from here, you will be able to create your own identity and you can add it and set it up uh, with the Salesforce. So basically, you will need just to create an identity by clicking on SAML identity provider and tester. And now we need just to go to the sign in informations for our users. So here we go to setup, and basically you will need just to go to users, and now we need just to go from here and basically you can, for example, go to edit, or let's simply just go to the sign on settings, which is the single sign-on settings, and from there you can have some SML assertion validator or just create a new settings. And basically from here you will need just to go to generate some SML response, but before we need to have already the identity provider certificate. So now we need to have it, and basically now we need just to start adding all the informations, the name of your certificate, the issuer, which is the Heruko, and you will need to add the name. You can give the API name, whatever you like, etc. So after you finish, you will be needing to start adding the informations from here. So as you can see, Axiom Test App, which is the name of the provider, and you will need just to copy all these. So after you get your SML response from here, you will need to add these informations. So here you will find your login URL, which is your organization. So after you save and you click on your sign in here, and after that, after you add all these informations, you will need just to start generating a new response. So at the end, you will need, when you add all these informations here, you will need just to request a SAML response, and then it will start to give you the response, and you add it at the end in your SML assertion. You validate, and that's it. And basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.